So I've had a lot of time getting things set up around here. Go ahead on in. It's not a tour. It's not a full tour of the new facilities, so to speak. Man, I've had a lot of things going on. It's just trying to get everything set up. The internet, got a few things here and there set up. Of course, I got the cars in here. Right now. I'm still doing the fuel tank change on the white Cobra, and I just have to put a sending unit in there. So that's the biggest thing that I'm working on. Of course, you know it. We've got the engine sitting in the car, and that's just a repeat, kind of an overview as we go through things. I've got a lot of parts collected that I've had to get rid of, but man, everything has been nice. I've been excited to be able to have that ability to go into a room and actually just be able to get your things done. We're still doing some networking in here and things like that. Let's see, we'll pull out here a little bit. There's a lot of space. There's a lot of space to do anything. Overall, I've got my tuning laptop over here, just moving some stuff in and out. There's a lot of room here. It's really roomy. It's echoey in here. Of course, I've got guest bedrooms. I got 2 guest bedrooms and guest bathroom. There are 3 bathrooms here, 4 bedrooms. Got this room in this area that can be seen. It's pretty nice little small size room for a quick guest room. I've always liked it. Just overall, man, there's a lot of different things set up here. Of course, internet is the last thing that I've just been trying to get set up, and that's taken some time. I'm going ahead and here to the MBR, the master bedroom. I've got some things in here set up. Got my computer set up and everything like that. Screens, game consoles, the works, you know how it goes. Heck. All in all, it's just been a nice setup for me. Of course, you got the bathroom, just got some things going through here. I don't have it really illuminated in here. Clothes, etc. Building up computer parts. And then you can go this way through the door. And of course, laundry room, because you got to have your laundry room. That's all that is. Anywho, I've enjoyed the facilities and everything, and just getting everything going and working. It's been busy here, but car stuff is coming, in fact, and we're gonna keep on with that pace. We're gonna keep on moving. Just about finished moving in here, and I don't have a whole lot of stuff left. So it's my little tour. I've got a lot of things, a lot of videos, and a lot of time that I want to be putting into making some stuff. So we'll see what we get here, and we're gonna make this place pop with all the car work we got coming.